Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to show my past, current and next read. So before that I just want to ask you क्या आपने अपनी रीडिंग जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया है? अगर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट योर रीडिंग जर्नी because your reading is going to change your inner world. So let's begin. So last week I read almost 2 books from that. The first one is Thank You for Leaving by Ritvik Singh. You know, this is read come poetry book, So in his poetry, you will connect him even more. This book shows the compassion, love and pain, There is a blend of emotions, kindness and pure love. So if you're someone who love poetry, then this book is for you. Here in this book, you're just going to know about how you can move on from your love failures, how you can change your current situation, how you can accept that pain, and after that you will say thank you for leaving because your leaving gives me healing, like that. This book will help you to heal from all your traumas. After reading that, you will feel happy. So my experience with this book was amazing. This book was new for me because poetry was new for me. I did not read that much of poetries, but after reading this book I really feel that I can read more poetries. So this is your sign, read this book. Amazing book. So this book is my past read. So let's give you the view of my next, not so next but current read. So currently I'm reading Murakami. So Murakami is Norwegian Wood. So this is the lengthy book. I love lengthy books, because you feel the connection when you pick lengthy books, and I genuinely loved it. आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको लेंथी बुक्स पसंद है या फिर आपको शॉर्ट बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद है. यू कैन कमेंट मी डाउन. सो विद दैट मैंने 4 चैप्टर्स इस बुक के पढ़े हैं एंड इट फेल्ट हैवी. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत डिटेल है ये बुक. इनिशियली आपको बहुत कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, आपको बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है. एटलीस्ट आपको हाफ बुक तो भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा until you want to know something more about the conclusion, But I'm happy that I picked this book because I love lengthy books. With that, yeah, this is my current read. It's going to take me almost 2 or 3 days. But after that, I'm just going to share my next read. So I have 3 books on my shelf. So you have to tell me which one I should start with. So first is Warmth by Ritvik Singh. After reading his 2 books, I really want to read that one, Warmth. So yeah, then I have again Ritvik Singh, I Don't Love You Anymore. So I want to read this book as well. With that I have one more book, short book I would say, The Curse of Letting Go by Prashant Paras. ये मैंने कहीं तो भी देखी थी, बहुत दिन पहले, जब मैंने देखी थी तो मुझे लगा था I have to order this. Just look at the cover, I love the cover. So आप मुझे बताइए कभी कभी आपने ऐसी बुक्स को ख़रीदा है जिनकी बस कवर देख के आपने बुक खरीदी हो. सो प्लीज़ अगर ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट मी डाउन. आफ्टर दैट दिस बुक वॉज रिकमेंडेड बाय समवन. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे किसने ये बुक रिकमेंड की थी बिकॉज बहुत दिनों पहले मैंने ये कहीं तो भी देखा था. सडनली एक दिन मुझे इस बुक की नोटिफिकेशन आती है और उसी टाइम मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दिस इज़ माई साइन, मुझे ये खरीदनी चाहिए और मैंने खरीद ली है. सो आप मुझे बताइए कि इन तीनों में से मैं कौन सी बुक को नेक्स्ट रीड में डालूँ सो दैट आई कैन गेट माई नेक्स्ट रीड. सो या दिस इज़ हाउ आई show you my past, my current and my next. I hope you like all these books because these books are amazing. I read almost recommended books क्योंकि जब आप recommended book पढ़ते हो तो आपको एक आइडिया होता है कि ये बुक कौन से टॉपिक पे बात करी या फिर क्या इसका पॉइंट है. So all these books are amazing. I want you to read them. यू कैन चेक आउट ऑन माई चैनल. मैंने बहुत 2-3 बुक्स की रिव्यूज़ भी डाले हैं उसमें, सो यू कैन go there and check it. With that, I just want inspiration from you, you know, motivation from you, because when you comment or like or subscribe my channel, it gives me inspiration. So that exactly what I want. So both these books I'm going to finish or read. You tell me what you are reading currently or what you want to read next, you know. So yeah, please continue reading. Do not stop. आप बिज़ी हो, यू नो, बहुत ज़्यादा आपके पास टाइम नहीं है रीड करने के लिए, बट प्लीज़ फिर भी रीड करने की कोशिश कीजिए. यू नो, रीड आपको बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है, आपके माइंड को बहुत ज़्यादा, यू नो, आपको डीक्लटर फील कराता है. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू रीड एटलीस्ट 10 pages a day. You know, make it a habit, make it a discipline, or you will see the immense difference in your daily routine. So yeah, that exactly what I want to share. So thank you. Please comment how do you feel after reading these books. And yes.